Greetings, family. Welcome back to Earth's Medicine, where we talk about the healing power of plants that nourish our bodies and feed our souls, straight from Jamaica and other parts of the world. If you're new to the channel, my name is Monique, and I'm a 51-year-old plant enthusiast from Jamaica. So, today we're diving into a powerful but often overlooked leafy green, sweet potato leaves. Yes, the same sweet potato vine that grows those tasty tubers also gives us edible leaves full of nutrients and healing potential. Let's get into it. So, sweet potato leaves are the tender heart-shaped leaves that grow on the vines of the sweet potato plant, which is known botanically as Ipomoea batatas. In many cultures across Asia, Africa, and the Pacific Islands, these leaves are cooked and eaten just like spinach and callaloo. They are mild with a delicately sweet flavor when cooked. However, the flavor of the raw leaves are slightly bitter, but you can saute them, add them to stir fries, or finely chop them and add them to salads so that the taste will be improved. The leaves are known as quote-unquote famine food during the Kyoho famine in 1732 and in the post-World War II period. They can be continuously harvested until the root vegetables are fully grown, so they can be a lifesaver during times of scarcity. Sweet potato leaves are loaded with nutrients. They have vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and K. They are high in vitamin A, which is great for your eyes, skin, and immune system. They're also rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen production and immune health. Vitamin K, which is needed for blood clotting and wound healing. B1, which strengthens the immune system and improves the body's ability to withstand stressful conditions. B2, which provides energy for the body and helps to fight free radicals that contribute to chronic diseases. B6, which is needed for normal brain development and function. It also helps the body make hormones which influence mood and helps to regulate the body's clock. Folic acid, which is important for cell development and production, especially during pregnancy. Antioxidants that fight inflammation and slow aging. These leaves also are a great source of dietary fiber compared to other leafy greens, which supports digestion and gut health. In folk medicine, crushed sweet potato leaves are applied topically to boils and acne for treatment. They are used in ointments to treat rashes. They are also employed in the treatment of irritations of the mouth and throat. Tea made from the leaves can be used as a mouth rinse for toothaches. The leaves can be used as a remedy for constipation. A drink made from the leaves can be taken as a remedy for stomach ache, nausea, and diarrhea. The leaves can be used to treat colds, the flu, burns, bug bites, and scrapes. The leaves can lower blood sugar levels, so they are great for people managing diabetes. They can help to cut down the risk of developing liver disease or stomach cancer. They can reduce depression, cut down on anxiety, and lower blood pressure. They can also promote weight loss. They can improve heart health thanks to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They can boost immunity. They can strengthen the blood and are especially helpful for women during menstruation. You can enjoy both the young and mature leaves of sweet potato in so many delicious ways. They can be consumed raw, or they can be steamed, blanched, boiled, or stir-fried and used in place of any leafy green. They can be consumed raw by finely chopping them up and adding them to salads. You can steam them like callaloo, add them to stir fries, omelets, soups, curries, and salads. Blend them into green smoothies. Just make sure to wash them well and cook them lightly to prevent overcooking and to preserve their nutrients. Sweet potato leaves have high amounts of oxalic acid. These can crystallize and form oxalate stones in the urinary tract in people who are prone to stones. The stems produce a white sap when cut, which can be irritating to the skin. So, next time you're growing sweet potatoes, don't throw away those leaves. Use them. They are a nutritional powerhouse and a beautiful way to reconnect with traditional food wisdom. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves natural healing, and don't forget to subscribe for more herbal goodness from Earth's Medicine. And hit that notification bell so you'll get an alert when we upload our next video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay well, stay rooted.